Okay, so awesome unit. This one's been around for a few years. There's been a few minor revisions over the last few. From last year to this year, just a few small tweaks. You'll notice right away that the decor and everything and the graphics are all the same. They did go ahead and add in the SolarFlex 200 package that Keystone is sending standard with all their stuff now. So this does have a 200 watt solar panel on the roof that is available to upgrade to a 400 watt panel with an inverter package as well. Just ask your local dealer about that. They also did away with the old touchscreen remotes that was coming with the Sprinters, and they're now offering in-command light, which is the main computer scene here. So we'll go over a little bit more of that when we get inside, but first we'll start on the outside with all things Sprinter. So you'll notice right away, nice big awning on this guy. Nice big pass-through storage as well. Docking center's just on the other side there. All Sprinters come with electric leveling. So this guy has 4-point auto electric leveling. The panel force just on the back side there, or you can do that on the in-command light. You can adjust your jacks as well. Awning, of course, is power, so you can control that from the app as well. Suspension-wise, they go with the road armor suspension. So you can see that blue chuck there. So that gives you an extra 3 inches of play up and down either way. And you got the quad step solid stance steps that make contact with the ground. So all Sprinters are 100-inch wide body. This guy's built on a 12-inch I-beam chassis. Okay, so big heavy duty trailer. You're definitely in that upper 3/4 ton range to haul something like this. And this is the loft model, so it does have that extra bedroom, so it is a bigger unit. We're up around 40 feet with this guy. Because of that wide frame, they're able to put bigger water tanks underneath. This guy's got an 81-gallon freshwater tank, and then the gray and black will vary from floor plan to floor plan with Sprinter. This guy also has the premium thermal package. So these guys are tested from 0 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and they can maintain their temperature. So up here in Canada, that's right around that -17 range. Maybe you don't want to camp at -17, but it's good to know that you have peace of mind when that temperature dips down May long weekend. Let's head inside and check it out. All right, welcome inside. So like I mentioned outside, not a lot of changes to the decor and such with Sprinter, just a few tweaks here and there. We are in the limited series, so you do get a little bit more. Some upgraded light fixtures, your tap is a little bit more upgraded. You get the solid surface countertop, and of course the bigger fridge. That's an important upgrade going to the limited. So that's a 12 cubic foot, 2-way refrigerator, gas and electric. And they got the nice gray stone stainless steel oven. Residential size microwave, and you got your fantastic fan with a rain sensor, standard on all the limiteds as well. Big screen TVs, Bluetooth soundbar. You get bigger TVs in the limiteds, that's another small upgrade. And then of course the fireplaces. 36-inch, this will put out 5,000 BTUs of electric heat, so if you're plugged in, fire that guy up, gets it warm in here nice and quick. You can see nice big windows all the way around. It's a really nice rear living floor plan. For the recliners, they go with the Thomas Paine collection. It's got, not only does it have like LED lights and such underneath, but it's also got massaging built right into it. And USB ports, cup holders, all that stuff. Dinette table and chairs. You can get this with a booth dinette. We generally bring it in with the upgrade with the table and chairs. This table here I really like because it's mounted to the wall, so there's lots of leg space there. And it has a second leaf built right in that you can pull out. They go with the woven carpet. This started to come out last year, so instead of having a high pile carpet that's gonna track a lot of dirt, this woven carpet's really nice and easy to keep clean. Probably thinking, Mike, where's the pantry space? Right here. It's kind of off to the side. And of course, there's lots of cabinets all around the kitchen, in the island, drawers, lots of storage space. And then of course, up to the back here, you got lots more cabinets. They put nice USB ports everywhere as well. Those are the controls for your fantastic fan. Let's check out the loft. So loft concept, it's been out for a while now. For those that aren't familiar with it, basically it's kind of like a mid room in the unit, and however you want to use that, you can do that. So if you wanted to make it a small office, another bedroom, or just a separate living room, whatever you want it to be, you can do that. This is a tri-fold sleeper sofa, kind of like the one at the back of the trailer, just a little smaller. This folds out and folds into about the size of a double bed. So this can be, for company, kids, grandkids, whatever it may be. You can set up a TV here, and they got their own storage, even their own closet, whatever you need. Now above that, where it gets the title loft from, is up here. Whole other sleeping quarters. So great for kids. I wouldn't want to pack a few adults in there, but kids would definitely love this. It's got a ladder so they can climb up to get in. It's a railing so nobody's going to roll off and get hurt. They've got their own light up there, their own AC duct. There's even TV hookups and power if you wanted to set something up there for them. On the way up too, don't want to miss this. You got your little kind of makeshift closet here. So corkboard, key rack, and coat hangers. Really handy. So control panel, fairly standard, digital thermostat. And then here you have the controls for the in-command light. So all you do, there's two buttons, very simple. Bluetooth pairing button, hold that down, pair it up on your phone, download the in-command app from the App Store, whether it's Android or iOS. Fire up the app and then it's good to go. There's very little setup involved. I was surprised at how simple it really is. But when you're not using it, definitely want to hit the travel lock button. That'll basically disengage the app. So you can't, a kid can't play with your app while you're driving and put your awning out or put a slide out or something silly like that. So definitely want to override that. Another thing to note is a nice big window walking by here. Got blackout blinds throughout the whole unit. Really brightens it up. Check out the washer. So good space in here. I got my fan, lots of room around the toilet, huge linen closet. Nice big vanity, lots of space around the sink, a little bit bigger sink than you'll see in some as well. You got a one-piece shower, which is really nice. So it's not just panels that are all riveted together. This is one piece, very residential. And I got lots of space in here. Glass doors, you want to make sure you do these up proper when you're in transit. And we got a skylight for a little more headroom. Go into the master bedroom. All right, master bedroom, you got a king bed slide in the limiteds. So you won't get that in the standard Sprinter line. You'll have just a residential queen size. Give you little nightstands on either side. There'll be plug-ins underneath. Of course, storage. Nice big dresser in the front, nice and deep. Remember the Sprinters are 100-inch wide body, so that extra 4 inches in here, they can use that to make things like dressers a little bit deeper or bed slides a little bit deeper, things like that. There's TV hookups if you decide to do that. All Sprinters come with a second air conditioner in the master bedroom, okay? And then closet space. Now, if you wanted, we can remove this panel and do a washer and dryer in there. If you don't, then it's just closet space, but the hookups, the prep is all there. And then you got nice sliding glass doors with more closet and hanging space. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. This is the Sprinter Limited 3570 loft model. I'll catch you next time.